Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some sweet and sour chicken. So let's get right into the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. So here we have a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Then we're going to go ahead and add some meat seasoning. So it's a teaspoon also. And guys, we're adding some chili pepper flakes. We're also adding some Cajun seasoning. So we're adding like a teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning. Some Obe seasoning. So I'm adding a teaspoon of the Obe seasoning. And here we have some garlic powder. Just a little bit. Yes, guys. And guys, I am not adding any salt to this chicken because most of the spices that I use, they already have salt in there. So I am going to just excuse that. So now I'm adding some paprika, a teaspoon of paprika. So I'm using the organic one. So now I'm going in and I'm going to season my chicken. So make sure you season your chicken properly, and after you're done seasoning, you put it down to marinate for 15 to 45 minutes. So that's done. I'm going to wash my hands and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, here we are. I already add my a little bit of flour and cornstarch to my chicken. I don't base it with too much flour because I like it this way. So this is the Pal's Island Kitchen style of doing our sweet and sour chicken. So here we're adding the chicken. And guys, feel free to do the sweet and sour chicken to the way you like it. So this is the style this is how I do it. So we're gonna leave this here to brown a little to give it that crispy brown look that I'm looking for. Crunchy and nice. So guys, in the meantime, this is going, I'm going to be going ahead to saute my vegetables. So I'm adding all my bell pepper and my onion to saute for a little. So once you saute these for about 5 minutes, you put them in a container. So this is the best way to do it so your bell pepper and your onion don't get soggy and soft, and just it kind of give it that texture that you're looking for when you saute it by itself. So guys, now that's saute. Now we're gonna saute some garlic and ginger. And now I'm adding some water. So this is like a cup of water. And I have a cup of ketchup. I'll go ahead and add that in. So you're gonna mix this in so you get all the ketchup out, mix out all the ketchup, it dissolves by itself. And now that is going good. That's so rich and amazing sauce. So now I just rinse up I had a little bit of rice vinegar also, and this is a cup of natural pineapple juice, so I just blend this. So this is a natural pineapple juice I'm using. You can use the one at the store, any one you prefer. So once that in, now guys, I'm just gonna stir this in and blend all our flavors together. That's boiled. Now I'm adding half cup of sugar. So I'm gonna use this and make sure the sugar is dissolved. So here we're gonna be adding a tablespoon of cornstarch. Yes guys, whisk this in, make sure it's all blend out and blend into all the flavors guys. If you could just smell the aroma. Now we're adding our pineapple. So I cut these in chunks. Yes guys, and now I'm adding my favorite sauce. So this is the Grace meat and meat sauce. It's very nice, very delicious guys. If you don't have this in your kitchen, when you go out to do your shopping, just go ahead and grab one. It's very amazing. It gives your meat this nice flavor. So here we are, our sauce is thickened. So I'm going to be adding 2 drops of food coloring, the red one. Here we go. Guys, the sauce is already, it's finished. Oh guys, if you could just smell the aroma in my kitchen, it's amazing. Oh guys, this is delicious. I can taste it already. So now this is simmering down a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and add my bell pepper and my onion that was sauteed before. So these are the last things I'm adding in there. Then I add my chicken. Yes guys, I just love these flavors, the colors, everything just pop and give you this nice look. And guys, it tastes good too. Rich in flavors and everything. So guys, this is the simple way to make your sweet and sour sauce. So now I'm gonna go in and add my chicken. So now I'm gonna blend everything in, make sure I coat all the chicken and give you that authentic flavor, authentic Jamaican chicken breast. So this is how I do my sweet and sour chicken, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Live good, love God, and walk good. And I'll see you next time, Pal Nation. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. I do hope you guys enjoy viewing my videos.